for the third time. What's your name?
My name is Mark Jonigan. I'm glad. Thank you all for having this forum here, and I really do admire both of you doctors for your. Thank you for taking interest in HIV research. We really appreciate you and all your work. Hopefully, it comes out to it. I really about the. I have two questions. The bubble boy syndrome that was treated, I saw something on the board that said several bubble boy syndromes have been treated with successful gene therapy, it said. And I was wondering about those cases, if you could explain a little bit and to give us hope on, because I also saw about the problems with gene therapy briefly. So I want to talk about some success stories, if there are any. And then the next question was the focus on the CCR5 and the zinc fingers. I was wondering about the current blocks and the progress with the zinc fingers and how good it's looking. And I really am amazed at you guys' work, too.
Why don't you do the bubble boy, and I'll do the zinc fingers.
All right. Yeah, zinc fingers are yours. There are various forms of immune deficiency that if you're born with them, you simply don't have an immune system. One of them is a deficiency in an enzyme called ADA, adenosine deaminase. And if you're born without the gene to make adenosine deaminase, then your immune system doesn't work. You don't have any T cells. It's terrible. You can give somebody that gene. You can actually give them the protein, but you can, more importantly, from the point of view of what you asked, give their cells that gene. And their cells will start making ADA. And they will detoxify the thing that's killing the immune cells and allow your immune system to grow back. And so they have literally gotten bubble babies out of the bubble back into civilization using gene therapy methods. It's actually done now at UCLA, but was originally done mostly in Europe, perfected in Europe, done in France and in Italy. Along the way, they did find that the original way they brought the gene into the cells tended to cause a mutation in the cells which could turn them into cancer cells. And so there was a cancer as a consequence of the therapy, nothing you want to see happen. That has now been corrected, and they can do the gene therapy without the danger of that. And they now have enough experience in England and in Italy and France to be, and actually in the United States, to be reasonably confident of using that. Now, ADA deficiency is extremely rare. It's nothing that's going to change the heredity of our population.